The following garage door tune-up tip is brought to you by AAA Door Guys.
A crack in the drum is where the problem came from.
Hey, AAA Door Guys. Garage door tune-up tips.
I'm AAA Chuck, your AAA door guy.
Tip number 5.
Drums.
The drum spins and stores the garage door cable. No one wants cracks in the drums, and worn-out grooves are just no fun. And we don't want set screws missing from drums.
Drums.
We have 10 tips in total to tell you about. Learn more about your garage door in our AAA Garage Door Tune-Up video. Be sure to visit us online.
Hey, AAA Door Guys. No garage doors were harmed during the filming of this garage door tune-up tip. In fact, we saved a few.